in and it turns, out and it doesn't. What is this magic? What is this magic? Okay, I better find all the other bits now and put this baby back together. Stand by. Welcome back. This is the inside. Key mechanism goes through there. That's your clamp. R for right. Let's end the argument. Patented by Givi. So, we know who makes these things. So the key, the turning mechanism, and this little bit of plastic that holds it all in place. Okay. Duh actually goes in that way. Hang on, the beloved has just returned from a day. I'll be back with you soon. Now, see this little tab here? That slots into that little plastic tab from the inside. In. This is going to fit this way. It's got an R on it as well, so it only goes one way. That slots in there. This is going to sit over there. Going to give it a little bit of grease. This is a water-based silicone tap grease. In place, 3 little screws. 3 little screws went to work. Well, that's the easy bit. Stop looking, I found it. Now this is the slider. Now just have to remember how that went together. Tab, a slot, tab, 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 slot. Now you've got these, this other tab and slot and spaces have to line up with this part. Okay, so get your eyes on that. So when this is here, the key's there. These two will slide past that. Won't move. Now the slots line up, can be opened and closed. Geez, that was a bit easy. Now where did I put the screws that hold the rest, everything back into the box? Surely I couldn't have put those in an extra safe place, could I? No. Just go chat amongst yourselves. I'll get back to you. Found them. There they all are. In one of these, but I've got so many, I forgot to look in that one. As always, the last place I looked. Unless you keep looking, just in case. Okay. This goes back on the box. Okay. This goes back on there. Sounds simple, but I pulled it apart so long ago I cannot remember how it all goes together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. That looks like a good place to start. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's firm. Let's find where these others go. 3 little ones, 2 large ones. I'll go get the right size screwdriver. And I'll even get the JIS, just to make sure that I look fancy on camera. Now I think there used to be some double-sided tape behind here. Saw in one other video. That would be sensible. I could have re-glued it with some roofing silicone. Would have made a nice mess too, because I would have used too much. But fortunately, I forgot, because I was so excited about actually finding the screws again. And that, my friends, is done. Let's see if I can put it on the bike. Locked. Winner, winner. Thanks for watching. I'm John. Enjoy your ride.